Lasal.
Yung mga seniors
Yung mga
namin
ate mo
noon,
nun, oo.
mga super ates namin noon, sila Maureen Penetrante, Des Hernandez.
Oh my gosh, ito yung mga Gagate. Yan, one of the younger players here. Number 1 draft. She also had the time as the ate in DLSU.
Right. And I think that was her.
Talagang kondisyon na kondisyon pa rin. And Kiara Permentilla covering her own attack. Gagate. Gandang dukot ni Almonte. Good try for next line, but that is going to be Gagate's 6th point. It's been tough serves coming from Maraguinot. That one close to the net. Habol ang next lead. No go. Back row attack at push. Gamit onto Ebon this time. And the quick conversion. Pag mabilis yung transition na ganyan, nakakalamang ang...
Dapat si Chloan, matataas din yung sets na binibigay sa kanya. Hindi naaabot ng blockers.
Laki na ng lamang ng Zeus kanina. We saw a 6-point lead by Zeus Coffee. Good rebound. Rally going.
Yeah.
And Gagate puts an end to it.
So this is a strong front line for Zeus Coffee. So Chloan has a lot of options.
First ball. Another chance here. Next set will regroup. Nabantayan si Permentilla. One more time for Kiara. Good pick up there by Angeles. Troncoso from the back. Another rally brewing. Oh, look at Gagate. Just the presence of mind for Thea, and that gets her to...
For De Los Reyes, yung mga quick attack na diretso sa block. Dahil Thea Gagate is in the middle.